In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Cloudways. If you've just bought a domain from a registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Cloudflare, and you want to connect it to your Cloudways application, there's one important thing to understand first. Cloudways does not register domains, so the connection doesn't happen automatically. You need to point your domain's DNS records to your Cloudways server. Then tell Cloudways which domain your application should use. After that, you'll secure everything with SSL so your site loads over HTTPS. To begin, log into your Cloudways account and open the Applications tab from the top menu. Choose the website or app you want to connect to your custom domain. Once you're on the access details page, look for the public IP address. This is the server address your domain needs to point to. Copy that IP because you'll use it in the next step. Now open a new browser tab and sign into the place where you purchased your domain. Go into the DNS settings area, which may be called Advanced DNS or DNS Management, depending on the provider. In that panel, remove any old A records or parking records that are still pointing the root domain somewhere else. Then create a new A record. Set the host to the root symbol, which represents your main domain, and paste in your Cloudways public IP as the value. For TTL, choose automatic or 1 hour. After that, add a syname record, set the host to www, and point it to your root domain. This makes sure both the version with www and the version without it can reach your site properly. Next, return to Cloudways. In the Application Management menu, click Domain Management. Add your domain in the main field and save the change. Once the domain appears in the list, open the options beside it and make it the primary domain. This step is important because it tells Cloudways that this is the main web address your application should respond to. After your domain is mapped, move to the SSL certificate section in the same application menu. Enter an active email address and your domain name, then click Install Certificate. Cloudways will use Let's Encrypt to issue a free SSL certificate, which enables HTTPS and helps protect traffic between your visitors and your site. Finally, give DNS some time to propagate since changes may not appear instantly. Then check that your domain loads correctly, that www and non-www both resolve as expected, and that the SSL certificate shows as active. Once everything is working, your domain is fully connected to Cloudways and ready for live traffic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.